In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage groups and invite students to specific courses. Now, why would you even need groups? Well, maybe you're running a cohort-based course, or maybe you're using your course for team training inside a company. It could also be that someone bought a team subscription and you just want to give all the members easy access without jumping through hoops. Or hey, maybe you've hidden a course and you only want certain students to get in. That's where groups come in. You can set one up, assign courses to it, and boom, everyone in that group gets access automatically. Here's how it works. First, log into your site. Go to Admin, locate Manage Students, click on Manage Groups, then Add New Group. Give your group a name, add a quick description, and hit Create Group. Once it's created, you'll see some icons. The little gear, Settings, lets you change the group name and icon. The arrow just opens up the group details. Inside the group, you'll notice two main tabs, Members and Courses. Under Members, you'll see everyone in that group. You can add students with the Add Students to Group button, bulk delete them, or even download a CSV with their info. Pro tip, the All Active filter shows students who signed up themselves. The All Invited filter shows students you manually added. Under Courses, you'll see what's already assigned to the group. Click Add New Course to give them more. And remember, if a course is in the group, every group member gets access, whether it's paid, private, or even hidden. Now, here's the fun part, invite members. You can generate a special link, and anyone who signs up through that link gets added straight to the group. When creating the link, you can set how many people can use it or even add an expiry date. Or you can just leave it open for unlimited invites. Quick heads up, copy that link right away and save it. Once you refresh your tab, it disappears. And of course, links with limits or expiry dates stop working once they're used up. Finally, back in Settings, you can always update the group name or description. And if you don't need a group anymore, hit the bin icon to delete it. You can create as many groups as you like, no limit. And that's it! Groups make it super easy to manage cohorts, teams, or special access to your courses without any hassle.